Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding an ancient city in the deep dark. This is non-negotiable. Once done, make sure you have solid armor and weapons. Netherite or high-enchanted diamond works best. Carry lots of torches, 2 skulk catalysts or silk touch tools, and wool to block sensors. Why? Because the Warden spawns only in shriekers with enough skulk activity. Having these items lets you manipulate sensors and survive the first encounters, so you can actually trigger or avoid the fight. Next, you make the deep dark skulk go noisy or quiet, depending on your plan. You want to repeatedly trigger skulk sensors until a skulk shrieker forms. Once enough shriekers activate, the game may summon the Warden. Use wool or carpets to walk without activating sensors, and employ projectiles or flaming arrows to safely test shriekers from distance. If you prefer summoning, place skulk catalysts near dying mobs. This controlled method lets you locate the exact chamber where the Warden will appear. Finally, decide, confront or avoid. If you fight, use long-range weapons and a high perch. The Warden is blind but tracks vibrations, so shoot from above and use snowballs or projectiles to distract it. If you evade, move on wool or crouch to reduce vibration and slip past using side tunnels. Make sure to have multiple escape routes. Wardens can one-shot weaker players. If things go wrong and the Warden disappears, leave the 32-block radius and return to reset the area. Then re-trigger shriekers carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.